Hello, John View family. Welcome to another highway update. Today we're back at 10 miles Bull Bay. We'll be checking out the newly built bridge and also some paving that has been happening in 10 miles and 9 miles area. Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also to click that notification bell to notify you whenever I drop a new update, okay? Guys, I'm also trying some new stuff on the channel, trying to get some new subscribers to help the channel to grow.
How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
As we are exiting the bridge, we can notice that sidewalks have been constructed on both sides of the roadway so far. The building that is coming up on your right, that is the Bull Bay Post Office.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out.
And to my subscribers who are here for the music, I apologize. I'm just trying some new stuff.
To lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
One of the major updates between this video and the last videos are the paving that have been done, and also there are a lot of construction of barriers along the roadway. Also, another thing I've noticed while coming to this location to do this video, guys, on your right hand side I've seen a lot of empty houses.
Why are you changing your mind? Na na na, we ain't got the time.
Guys, we are now approaching the 9 miles bridge. You can also see those guys installing the barriers. That road coming up to your right is the road you'll take if you want to go and visit the Cane River, okay guys? And also we have noticed that the police station is still in the pathway of the roadway. I'm still trying to find out some information, but nobody seems to know where the new police station will be built.